I'd like to ask some questions about swapping my SIM card.
Sorry, in just a few words, like change of address, or transfer ownership, or set up international roaming. Tell me the reason for your call.
Swap my SIM card.
That's about a barring inquiry, is that right?
Not exactly.
Sorry, just answering yes or no. That's about a barring inquiry, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And is that for a prepaid service?
It is prepaid.
And was that about barring on a lost or stolen phone? Or barring premium text and pics? Or say, it's something else?
It's something else.
Just a moment. Okay, if that's for the mobile you're on right now, press 1. To enter a different number, press 2. And your 4-digit inquiry PIN?
I don't have a 4-digit inquiry PIN.
So please enter your 4-digit inquiry PIN using your keypad. If you don't know it, just press the hash key. Thanks, I'll just put you through to someone. Your call may be recorded for training and business purposes. Hi, this is Prashant. How can I help you today?
Hello there, it's Francis. In fact, I have some questions about how I can swap my current Vodafone SIM card. I just don't know if what would happen if I press the button here, online on the swap my SIM web page. Can you please?
Sure. I'll give you the complete information about how you can do the swap using this. Before I start, Francis, may I have your number, please, the mobile number which you're referring to?
Yes, the number is 041.
Alright, thank you. Now, Francis, to swap your number, okay, are you on a My Vodafone right now?
Yes, I am currently using Vodafone SIM card, and I am calling you using the phone that has the Vodafone SIM card inserted. But can you please pause for a minute, because I need to make sure if I need to make sure that my existing SIM card will still continue to work before I get my new replacement SIM card that still retains the old number, because I need this existing number for various reasons. I don't particularly enjoy changing my phone numbers. Yeah, so once I proceed to the web page and click swap my SIM, does that mean I have to purchase a new Vodafone prepaid SIM card first?
No, you don't need to purchase a Vodafone SIM card, right? Francis, I'll let you know what is swap your SIM.
Yes, please.
So, if in case, if you're changing your handset, right, and if you're changing your SIM card basically, alright, that is the time this swap your SIM is required. Right? So if you're changing your number from one SIM card to another, your Vodafone number from one SIM card to another, that is the time the swap your SIM, this specific option comes into the picture. To swap your number, the first thing which is more important is you require a blank SIM card. Blank SIM card is free of cost and it's available in all the Vodafone store. Blank SIM card is designed in such a way wherein you can transfer your existing Vodafone number onto it.
Okay.
The moment when you click on swap your SIM, what happens is, there was a temporary number there's a temporary password which will be sent out onto your Vodafone SIM card.
Okay.
On your existing number, on your existing number, you will be receiving that one-time password.
Mm-hmm.
And it will take you to the next page wherein you can swap your SIM card. You can transfer your number from one SIM to another.
So I wonder if Vodafone could issue me a blank SIM card that I can use to transfer the number, or do I have to find the a blank SIM card pack myself?
Our blank SIM card is available in all the Vodafone stores and it's free of cost. And in Vodafone store you can complete the swap. Okay? You just need to carry your photo ID in a store and they can get that completed straight away in the store for you. Don't need to work.
But the problem is I'm currently not in Australia. I'm currently overseas. And how do I do that?
Alright, so if you're in overseas, I can arrange a replacement SIM card for you. However, this replacement SIM card can be arranged only within Australia.
Well, I do have a friend of mine who might be able to come to a store, to a Vodafone store, and pick it up, if that would be an option.
Yeah, that option is available. You can ask your friend to collect the blank SIM card from the store. Alright, and once he has the SIM card, he can ship that out.
Okay, so and how do I make such arrangements on Vodafone's webpage?
Sorry?
How do I make such arrangement on Vodafone's webpage? Where how do I do that? How do I place an order of a blank SIM card issued by Vodafone Australia?
So blank SIM card, we can place an order over the phone, right? And we can arrange this blank SIM card here for you over the phone.
Okay, and you will then retain the blank SIM card pack and place it at one of your stores, and then I will need to contact that friend of mine to pick it up at some time on another day.
Well, the blank SIM cards are already arranged in the store, so you do not require, you don't need to ship out the SIM card in the store. It's already there. It's already available in the store.
Oh, really? So my friend just needs to come to a store and pick one up, pick one blank SIM card pack up, and no prior appointment is required whatsoever.
No prior.
Really? Okay, I see. And does he have to carry an ID to pick that up, or just drop in and pick it up?
Yes, he can carry an ID.
Sorry?
Yes. You need to carry the ID.
I mean, an ID of my friend or mine.
No, his ID, not your ID.
Okay. I see. So, alright, so once a blank SIM card pack is obtained, and I will have that friend of mine, I will have him ship the SIM card to my current location in overseas. Then I can perform all those procedures you outline on your web page, and that should be able to complete the whole process, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is just like that? Just that simple?
Yep, that's it.
Okay. I will contact my friend to make sure that he can go to a store, to a Vodafone store, and see if he can find a blank SIM card specifically designed for Vodafone. So you are sure that you are absolutely sure that any Vodafone store in Australia has such blank SIM card specifically designed for um, for um, for for swapping my SIM while still retain the existing number, right?
Yes, because earlier what used to happen is before this current situation, before this pandemic, only account holder can collect a blank SIM card from the store. But considering the situation now, we have made the changes, right? And even like if the account holder cannot visit a Vodafone store, then
And authorized
or a relative can
an authorized person. Sure. Yeah, I would be more than glad to make that friend of mine an authorized person to pick up the blank SIM card pack. What else do I need to do on my end to give him such authorization? Do I just tell him to pick it up, or is there any other sorts of paperwork that I need to do on my end? No?
No paperwork, nothing else that's required.
Okay, I see. All right, I will contact that friend of mine to make an arrangement ASAP to pick up this blank SIM. And yeah, if I have any other questions, I might call you guys again to confirm.
Alright, sure, not a problem at all.
Great. Thank you very much for your time. I will be in touch again soon. You have a great day.
Alright, sure. You too, well then. Thanks for calling Vodafone and goodbye. Take care.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.